For chestnuts, it is best to choose larger, soft and tender migratory chestnuts. First, peel off the outer shell, keeping the inner veins intact, as this is key to preventing the chestnuts from falling apart during cooking. After removing the outer shell completely, add clean water and baking soda, and place them in a bowl. This will make peeling easier when boiling them the next day. Next comes the slightly tedious main particle step. Add clean water and slowly boil for 10 minutes. Drain the water, add clean water, and continue boiling for 15 minutes, repeating this 3 times until the water is clear. At this point, the skin should peel off easily. Add 60% brown sugar and just enough clean water to cover the chestnuts, and cook until the chestnuts are fully cooked. Sugar is a natural preservative. The more you add, the longer the shelf life. There is another method to extend the shelf life. Boil the sealed jars in hot water. It is said to be a traditional preservation method from France. After that, let it sit quietly for more than 2 months before opening to enjoy. However, when the weather gets cold, the stomach craves something warm and doesn't want greasy dishes like big fish and meat. At this time, clear soup udon noodles are most suitable. Pre-slice the shiitake mushrooms and cut the fried tofu into pieces. Cut the cabbage into large pieces. Cut the garlic shoots diagonally into sections. Add sweet soy sauce, mirin, salt, meatballs, shiitake mushrooms, and kelp to the clean water. Once the water boils, remove the kelp. Then add the fried tofu and cabbage. Finally, add the udon noodles and large shrimp. Cover the pot and simmer for about 2 minutes. Finally, add a raw egg yolk. Sprinkle it over the dish. Gently pierce the egg yolk that coats the udon noodles for an even more wonderful texture.